Hi gang, and welcome to another video of the 6 main vegetable plant categories. In the last video you were introduced to the plants in the leafy green category. In this video I will show you which plants in the marrow family that contain the most natural growth hormone. Marrows, also called vegetable marrow, is simply a variety of the cucurbita pepo, which is a genus that yields numerous types of squash and pumpkin. The skin of the marrow is strippy, thick, and edible. There's no need to peel them because once you cook them, they're going to get softer. But you can also eat them raw. Through selective breeding, gardeners have turned cucurbita pepo into acorn squash, ornamental gourds, pumpkins, zucchini, vegetable marrows, and more. And 5 species are grown worldwide for their edible vegetables like squash, pumpkin or gourd, cucumber, zucchini, and even melon. But there are 2 marrow varieties from this family that we use in our products, and those 2 are cucumber and zucchini. We all know what cucumbers are, and believe it or not, the most nutritious part is the skin. We use them in our grow regimen because cucumber ash causes plants to flourish like magic. After peeling, place them on a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they turn black. Let cool. This will make you a quick release fertilizer that is high in calcium, phosphorus, and potassium. Cucumber contains small amounts of all 9 essential amino acids, and they are better extracted when the skins are burned. The zucchini is a coquette or baby marrow. Is a summer squash whose fruit is harvested when they're still young, soft, and edible. Not only do they taste good, but zucchini is a great choice to use as a fertilizer for all your plants and all their needs. And as I said before, as far as plant nutrients are concerned, marrow plants have very little to offer, but we do use zucchini and cucumber in our lineup. But if you want more information on marrow plants in general, just visit our website at www.shivasgrowgarden.com. So that about wraps it up. And the next video we're going to look at edible plant stems. And if you like this video, let us know. Give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, will you please? Thank you.